tested the Bard Onyx OM4 Expert Advisor from the market, and today we will be reviewing this Expert Advisor that is giving me 90% profitable trades. So here is the original product available on the market, and it is for nearly $1,300, and this price is also really. But why not? This is a must-have product. It's been published recently on 2nd of March 2025. The current version is version 4. This is the developer, and now I am testing this Expert Advisor, and right now you are watching this EA in its working condition. So we have finished our testing, and here is the result. So this is our Expert Advisor, and I will share all the history section. So here you can see we have had a huge amount of profit as well as some minor losses. So we started testing this Expert Advisor on this account consisting $1,000 as our initial deposit amount. We have tested this Expert Advisor on Euro USD pair, GBP USD pair, XAU USD pair as well. And you should always try M1 time frame for optimal result. Though the developer has mentioned here that we should use H1 time frame. With different currency, the pairs are H1. But for this pair, Euro USD, I would suggest you try M1 time frame and just check the result. So it has placed a lot of trades with 0.01 lot size only, and here you can see our balance amount is quite impressive. So we started testing this Expert Advisor from 25th of December 2024 till February 25th 2025. So within these days we have had a huge amount of profit. So let's explore the report section now, where our initial deposit amount is $1,000. Okay, $1,000 was our deposit amount, and upon that amount we have gained the gross profit amount, that is $267, and our total net profit amount is $261.18. We have one minor loss of $6.20, and we have the balance maximal drawdown percentage, that is 4.91. That is very good with 100% modeling quality. You can see this Expert Advisor is having a really very good risk management, so you must give this Expert Advisor a try. Let me show you now how you can have this Expert Advisor and where you can have it from. This is the original product available on the market. You can get this Expert Advisor very easily and try it on a lot of time frame and lot of currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, Euro JPP, and USD JPY again, and then we have GBP USD pair, Euro USD pair again, and USD JPY pair again. Just look at the total net profit amount and the drawdown. You will be amazed by this Expert Advisor, and it is worth every single penny. It is available for nearly $1,300, and we will offer you this same product with identical performance with just $145. You can try this Expert Advisor starting from $200 to $300, but it is recommended to have at least $500 for better risk management. Do one thing, try this Expert Advisor today and let us know about your trading experience in the comment section. It's a must-have product. So you will get this product by here. It is available on our official website uforexea.com. Just select the quantity, activate the product. Here is your cart section. Go to the cart, download the product immediately after purchasing it. Otherwise, just simply join our Telegram channel, that is uForex Premium. I will share the link. This is the joining link, and I have given the joining link in the description section of this video. Check out and join our channel for more such profitable Expert Advisors, and subscribe our channel for more such Expert Advisor and indicators review videos. Thank you so much. Visit again.
Additionally, we can crack or unlock any Expert Advisor that you provide us via our official website uforex.net or our official Telegram group @uforexasia. Link is given in the description section. We will give you a pricing to remove the comments, license timing, or unlimited accounts for either MT5 or MT4 or both. Price of the MT5 is higher than the MT4. Thank you.